What if one tiny $30 part is secretly causing your car to act abnormally? Most drivers blame the battery, fuel pump, or spark plugs first. But mechanics know one hidden valve can quietly make your car misbehave. And the scary part? Many people keep driving until it damages far more expensive parts. Today, we're uncovering the bad purge valve symptoms drivers should never ignore. Before we jump into the symptoms, let's quickly understand what this little part actually does. The purge valve is part of the EVAP system, which prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. Instead, these vapors are stored in a charcoal canister. And where is it located? On most cars, the purge valve sits somewhere near the engine intake manifold or close to the throttle body. Some vehicles place it near the charcoal canister. Here's how it works. When your engine is cold or idling, the valve stays closed. But while driving, the computer sends signals to open it at the correct time. Fuel vapors then travel from the charcoal canister into the intake manifold where they mix with air and fuel. But when the purge valve gets stuck open or closed, everything starts going wrong. Symptom number 1, hard start after refueling. You fill up your gas tank, jump back into the car, turn the key, and suddenly the engine cranks longer than normal. Sometimes it sputters. Sometimes it almost dies completely. This is one of the most classic purge valve symptoms. When the purge valve gets stuck open, excess fuel vapors flood the engine during startup right after refueling. The air-fuel mixture becomes too rich. The engine basically gets overwhelmed with fuel vapor before it can stabilize properly. Many drivers panic and think the fuel pump is failing. Others replace batteries and spark plugs unnecessarily. But the real problem is often the purge valve dumping raw fuel vapors into the intake at the wrong time. And unfortunately, this strange startup problem is usually only the beginning. Symptom number 2, failed emissions test. Few things are more frustrating than failing an emissions test when your car feels completely normal during daily driving. But a bad purge valve can quietly ruin your emissions numbers without obvious warning signs at first. If the valve sticks open or closed, the EVAP system cannot properly control fuel vapors anymore. That means unburned hydrocarbons escape into the atmosphere instead of being burned inside the engine. Modern emission systems are extremely sensitive. Even a small EVAP leak or improper vapor flow can trigger an instant failure during inspection. And here's the painful part. Some drivers spend hundreds replacing oxygen sensors or catalytic converters before discovering the real issue was a faulty purge valve costing a fraction of the price. But the next symptom feels much scarier because it can happen while driving. Symptom number 3, engine stalling. Imagine stopping at a red light, and suddenly the engine shuts off without warning. That terrifying moment can happen when a purge valve gets stuck open. Here's why. A stuck open valve creates a vacuum leak inside the intake system. Too much air and fuel vapor enter the engine when they shouldn't. The engine struggles to maintain stable combustion, especially at low RPMs. As the air-fuel mixture becomes unstable, the engine may stumble, shake violently, or completely stall. This symptom becomes especially dangerous in traffic, or intersections where sudden stalling creates safety risks. And even if the engine doesn't fully shut off, the next symptom makes the car feel rough and unhealthy every time you stop. Symptom number 4, rough idling. You're sitting in park and suddenly the engine feels shaky. The RPM needle bounces slightly. The car vibrates more than usual. That rough idle often points directly toward EVAP problems. A bad purge valve disrupts the carefully balanced air-fuel mixture your engine needs at idle. Since the engine runs at very low speed during idle, even small airflow problems become noticeable immediately. Drivers often describe it as the engine hunting or struggling to stay smooth. Some vehicles even sound like they're about to stall before recovering again. And because rough idling stresses combustion stability, the next symptom usually follows closely behind. Symptom number 5, engine misfire. Now the problem starts becoming more serious. A bad purge valve can cause cylinders to misfire because the engine receives inconsistent fuel vapor flow. Some cylinders burn properly while others struggle. You may notice jerking during acceleration. The engine may shake under load. Sometimes the exhaust even pops slightly. And here's what makes this dangerous. Continuous misfires can damage the catalytic converter over time. That repair can easily cost over $1,000 on many vehicles. But before major damage happens, most drivers notice another frustrating symptom first. Symptom number 6, trouble starting the engine. Sometimes the car doesn't just struggle after refueling. It becomes hard to start in general. You turn the key multiple times. The engine cranks longer than normal. Sometimes it starts weakly before recovering. A failing purge valve can create incorrect vapor pressure inside the EVAP system. That throws off fuel delivery during startup. If the valve stays open, excess vapor floods the intake. If it stays closed, pressure regulation inside the fuel system becomes inconsistent. Either way, the engine struggles to achieve the perfect air-fuel mixture needed for smooth ignition. And once starting problems begin, overall engine performance usually starts dropping too. Symptom number 7, poor engine performance. Your car suddenly feels lazy, acceleration becomes weaker, throttle response feels delayed. The engine no longer feels smooth or powerful. That's because combustion efficiency drops when the purge valve fails. The engine computer constantly tries correcting unstable fuel vapor flow, but there's only so much compensation it can do before performance suffers. Drivers sometimes describe it as the car feeling heavy or less responsive than usual. And since the computer notices these abnormal conditions, it usually triggers the symptom every driver fears seeing. Symptom number 8, check engine light. That tiny orange light can create massive stress instantly. And yes, a bad purge valve commonly triggers the check engine light. The engine computer monitors EVAP system pressure and vapor flow constantly. The moment something behaves abnormally, it stores trouble codes and turns the warning light on. Sometimes the car still drives normally at first. Other times, multiple symptoms appear together. Unfortunately, many drivers ignore the warning because the vehicle still runs. But delaying repairs can allow the problem to spread into more expensive EVAP components. And one of the most noticeable warning signs often appears outside the car itself. Symptom number 9, fuel smell around the car. You walk near your vehicle and suddenly notice a strong gasoline smell. That's never something you should ignore. A stuck purge valve can allow fuel vapors to escape improperly through the EVAP system. Instead of staying sealed, gasoline fumes leak around the engine bay or fuel system. Sometimes the smell becomes stronger after parking the vehicle in a garage or after refueling. Besides being unpleasant, fuel vapors are flammable and harmful to breathe continuously. And while many drivers notice the smell first, some only discover the issue slowly through worsening fuel economy. Symptom number 10, slight drop in fuel economy. This symptom sneaks up quietly. Your car still drives. Nothing feels dramatically wrong. But suddenly, you're visiting the gas station more often than usual. A bad purge valve disrupts fuel vapor recycling efficiency. Vapors that should be burned properly either escape or enter the engine at the wrong time. That means the engine burns fuel less efficiently overall. The MPG drop is usually small at first, but over time, wasted fuel adds up fast. And combined with all the other symptoms, it becomes clear something inside the EVAP system is failing. Now, let's talk about the error codes mechanics commonly see with a bad purge valve. Common purge valve. Error codes. Purge valve trouble codes appear when the engine computer detects abnormal vapor flow, pressure problems, electrical faults, or communication issues within the EVAP purge valve circuit. Here is the description of each code. P0440, EVAP system, malfunction. P0441, incorrect purge flow inside the EVAP system. P0442, small EVAP leak. P0443, purge control valve circuit malfunction. P0444, purge control valve circuit open. P0445, purge control valve circuit shorted. P0496, EVAP system, high purge flow. P0497, EVAP system, low purge flow. P0455 and P0456, large or small EVAP leak. But here's the important part. These codes don't always guarantee the purge valve itself is bad. Sometimes cracked hoses, wiring problems, or charcoal canister issues create similar codes too. That's why proper testing matters. How to test a bad purge valve. Testing a purge valve involves checking its airflow and electrical operation. Most faults show up as incorrect vacuum behavior, no clicking response, or abnormal electrical resistance. 1. Leak/vacuum test. Remove the purge valve from the vehicle. Ensure it is not connected to power. Attach a hand vacuum pump, if available. Apply vacuum and observe. A good valve should hold vacuum. If it leaks or won't hold vacuum, it is likely stuck open. 2. Click test. Disconnect the electrical connector. Remove the valve if access is tight. Connect jumper wires to the valve terminals. Briefly apply battery voltage. Listen for a sharp clicking sound. No click indicates a faulty solenoid. 3. Multimeter test. Set your multimeter to ohms. Touch probes to both valve terminals. Check the reading on the screen. Compare with manufacturer specifications. No reading or infinite resistance means the valve is faulty. Zero resistance may also indicate a bad valve. 4. Airflow test. Remove the purge valve. Do not apply power. Try blowing air through one side. Air should not pass through when unpowered. If air flows freely, the valve is stuck open. 5. Scan tool test, if available. Connect a scan tool to the vehicle. Access EVAP system controls. Command the purge valve open and closed. Observe engine response or idle change. No response suggests the valve is not operating correctly. A bad purge valve usually fails in one of 3 ways. It leaks air when closed, doesn't click when powered, or shows incorrect resistance. Now, here's the question many drivers ask immediately afterward. How long can you drive with a bad purge valve? A failing purge valve may still allow the car to run for a while, but it should not be ignored. Early signs include rough idle, hard starts, or a fuel smell. As the condition worsens, misfires, stalling, and even catalytic converter damage can develop. A stuck open valve can also create a constant vacuum leak that disrupts engine performance, especially after refueling when stalling is most noticeable. While the vehicle may still be drivable, EVAP issues tend to escalate and can lead to costly repairs if left unchecked. The good news is that replacing a purge valve is usually a relatively affordable fix on most modern vehicles. How much does it cost to replace a purge valve? The purge valve typically costs $30 to $150, depending on the vehicle. Labor is usually low since it's often located in the engine bay and easy to access. Most full replacements range from $100 to $300 at a repair shop, though luxury vehicles or complex engine layouts can cost more. For those with basic tools, it can often be replaced at home in under an hour. The key is addressing symptoms early before they lead to larger EVAP system issues or catalytic converter damage. Early repairs are almost always far cheaper than delayed ones. Can you drive with a bad purge valve? Yes, you can still drive with a bad purge valve for a short time, but it should not be ignored. Fixing the issue early prevents further damage and avoids more expensive repairs later on. Most drivers never think about the purge valve until the car starts acting strange. But now you know, this tiny valve can quietly affect your engine performance, fuel economy, emissions system, and even your ability to start the car properly. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the symptom your car is showing right now. And remember, sometimes the smallest parts create the biggest problems, especially when they're ignored for too long.